Question number 5. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. So there are 6 polynomial. This is your first polynomial. You need to decide whether it is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, or cubic polynomial. Since the highest degree of this polynomial is 2, 2x square, 3x. So this term has 2 as power, this term has 1 as power, and this one has 0 as power. So highest degree is 2 for this polynomial. So this is called quadratic polynomial. So you just need to mention quadratic for this question. Quadratic polynomial. This is your second one, 5p. So highest degree of this polynomial is 1. So it is called linear polynomial. And this third question, 2 root y root 2y minus 1 by 2. So highest degree is 1. So this is again linear polynomial. So this is linear polynomial. This is your fourth polynomial where highest degree is 3. So this is called cubic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. And this is again this is cubic polynomial. So hope it is clear to everybody. If polynomial has highest degree as 1, so it is called linear polynomial. If highest degree is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. And if highest degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. Now come to this question number 6. Write the following polynomials in standard form. Standard form means in proper descending order of their power. For example, m cube plus 5m plus 3. So this is your question. Uh, Question is m cube plus 3 plus 5m. So orders are scattered. Means if you arrange this polynomial as per their power either in ascending order or in descending order. So in proper order it can be written as first highest degree is cube, so you can write it m cube. Then next is plus 5m and then plus 3. So this is proper descending order. First term has power 3, second term has power 1 and third term has power 0. So 3, 1, 0. So this is called proper standard form of polynomial. So this way you can write the given polynomial. Same way this question can be written in proper standard form as per their power either in ascending order or descending order. So for that you need to decide which is the highest power. So I think y raised to 5 is highest power. So here first term I will take y raised to 5. Then after 5 we need 4. So you can take plus 2y raised to 4. After 4 we need 3. So we can take plus 3 3y cube. And then we need square, so minus y square, and after square we need 1. So this one has power 1, that is minus 7y. and last term should have power 0. So this 1 by 2 has power 0, that is minus 1 by 2. So this way you can write this given polynomial in proper order. Ansari Rehan, you can rejoin. Yes. Now let's take this question number 7. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. Coefficient form, we know what is coefficient form. So first we will write the given polynomial in proper descending order, and then we can write the polynomial in proper coefficient form. So for example, this one, I'll do it on this canvas. So this is your question number 7. Write the polynomials in coefficient form. So in order to write the polynomials in proper coefficient form, in question number 7, first question is x cube minus 2. X cube minus 2. This is the given polynomial, and we need to write this polynomial in coefficient form. So in coefficient form, first you need to write this polynomial in proper standard form. So if you observe, this polynomial is already given in proper standard form, right? But when we saying proper standard form, so the power should be in proper descending order. So in that case, uh, this could be another way to write this polynomial. Like here we have highest degree cube, so I'll write x cube. Then after cube it should be square, but there is no square in the given polynomial. So here I'll add plus 0x square. Then we need, after square we need 1, degree as 1. So there is no power 1. So I'll take 0x which has power 1. And then we need 0. So this 2 has power 0. So I'll take minus 2. So this equation can be written in this way in proper standard form. Because cube is given, 0 is given. In between cube and 0, two powers are missing, that is 0x square and 0x. Power 2 and power 1 is missing in the polynomial, so that those two can be considered as 0x square and 0x raised to 1. Now question arises, if you add these two terms in the given polynomial, does it makes any change to the original polynomial? So answer is no. It doesn't make any change in the original polynomial, because if you observe this polynomial, here we have x cube, then next is 0x square. 0x square, if you multiply x square with 0, the entire value will become 0. Same way 0 into x, so if you multiply 0 with x, it will become 0. Then minus 2, so here we will take minus 2. So x cube plus 0 minus 2 will remain as x cube minus 2 only. So if you write your given equation, this is your given polynomial, in this way it doesn't make any change to the original polynomial. It will remain as x cube minus 2 only. So there is no change in the original polynomial. We are just writing the given polynomial in proper standard form in descending order of their powers. Hope it is clear to everybody. Now, it's the coefficient form of the given polynomial. Coefficient form of the given polynomial is, look, this term has coefficient 1, this term has coefficient 0, this term has coefficient 0, this term has coefficient -2. So this is called coefficient form of this given polynomial. So this way you can find out coefficient of the polynomial. We will take one more example. We have around, okay, we have 4 questions. We did this one. Let us see this third question. 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. So I am going to take this question number 3. Yes, Hina Firdaus, your answer is correct, beta. Now we're going to find out coefficient of this polynomial. Actually, it is not in proper order. I'll write it in proper way. Question number 3. It is 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. So it is like this. First, we will write this polynomial in proper standard form. So highest degree is 4. So this can be written as 2m raised to 4. After 4, there must be 3. So here there is no 3, so I'll take 0m cube. Then after cube we need square, so this term has power 2. So I'll take minus 3m square. And after square we need power 1. But this polynomial doesn't have power 1, so we will take 0m. And after 1 we need power 0. So this 7 has power 0. So here we will take plus 7. Like this. Now this way we can find out coefficient coefficient form of the given equation given polynomial. Polynomial is, this term has coefficient 2, this term has coefficient 0, this term has coefficient -3, and this term has coefficient 0, and this term has coefficient 7. It is plus 7. Okay. So this is coefficient form of this given polynomial. So this is the way to find out coefficient form of the given polynomial. Same procedure we can follow to find out polynomial from the given coefficient. Look at this. This question number 8. Write the polynomial in standard form where the coefficient of the polynomials are given. So we will take this question on our canvas. This is your question number 8, and where the first question is 1, 2 and 3. So I'll copy this. This is your first question, and we need to convert. Look, this is coefficient form. We need to convert this coefficient form into standard form of polynomial. So any variable can be considered. So we will start counting. You can start from right hand side. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this coefficient form has 3 coefficients in the bracket. So what I'll do, I'll consider 2. So my highest degree of the polynomial will become 2. If there are 3 terms, 3 coefficient, highest degree would be 2. If there are 4 coefficient, highest degree would be 3. So this is coefficient form where you can start counting from right hand side. This is first coefficient, this is second coefficient, and this is third coefficient. So this way we can identify which is the highest degree of our polynomial. So if there are 3 coefficient, highest degree is 2. So any variable you can consider. Here we have 1. So you can say 1 into x. This is the variable which I am considering. As I told you, highest degree should be 2 for this question, because there are 3 coefficients. So here we will take 1x raised to 2. Then this is plus 2. So I'll take plus 2 into x. Here we have 2. So the next is 1. So there is no need to write power 1. Here we have power 1. Then next term is plus 3. So here I'll take plus 3 x raised to power 0, right? And this can be written as 1 into x square can be written as x square plus 2 into x raised to 1 can be written as 2x plus 3 into x raised to 0 can be written only 3, because if power any variable raised to power 0, that is considered 1, and if you multiply 1 with 3, it will remain as 3 itself. So this is the required polynomial. We will take one more example. Let us take this question number 2. This is quite interesting, because this particular question has 0 also. So this is your second question. I'll do it here only. Now first I'll count my number of coefficients. So this is my first coefficient, this is my second coefficient, this is my third coefficient, this is my fourth coefficient, and this is fifth coefficient, right? So total 5 coefficients are there. So highest degree should be 4. 1 less than number of coefficients. Again I am taking x as my variable. First term is 5. So 5 into x raised to 4. Highest degree should be 4, as we discussed. Because number of coefficients are 5, so 1 less we will take for the highest degree, that is 4. Then next is plus 0. So here I will take plus 0 x raised to 3 plus 0 x square plus 0 x raised to 1 plus minus, here we have minus 1 x raised to 0. Look at this, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0. It is in proper descending order of their power. So this can be written as 5x raised to 4. 0 into x cube will become 0. So there is no need to write this term. Same way, 0 into x square will become 0, 0 into x raised to 1 will become 0. So you don't need to write all these terms. So next term is minus 1 into x raised to 0. So here I can take 1 because this part will become minus 1 only. It is minus 1 into x raised to 0. So this x raised to 0 is 1. So minus 1 into 1 is 1. So here you will take minus 1. Hope it is clear to everybody how to find out how to convert given polynomial into coefficient form of polynomial, and how to find out standard form of polynomial from the given coefficients.